Hi there, it's Adam from Hubspoke Media and I'm here to give you a little bit of a treat this Valentine's Day. Hi there, it's Adam from Hubspoke Media and I'm going to give you a treat. That sounds wrong. Still looking for that perfect gift this Valentine's Day? Then don't worry baby, I got you covered. No, don't like that one either. All I want to say is that we are doing a video for Valentine's Day. But it's not really for Valentine's Day, it's just coming out on Valentine's Day. On the Biz, a brand new YouTube series that tells you how to focus on your business instead of always focusing your time in the business. Because you can't work on developing your business if you're constantly inside the business. So then you've got to find time for On the Biz, thus the name of the show. I mean, it's not even Valentine's related, it's just coming out on Friday the 14th of February at 5 p.m. on YouTube. It's got the good-looking Adam Walker on, telling us about social media and how to push your brand on social media in a good way in 2025. I've got to somehow convey all of that information in a short amount of time. I'll just do it another day.